Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you the ways on how you can clear all the cache and junk of your Windows. So let's go quick into the process. Also clearing the cache and junk. This will help your Windows to run faster and to boost its performance and to somehow fix lagging issues. So let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar, type disk cleanup. Then you have to click on it under the best match. Now the Windows C drive is chosen by default, so just click on OK. Then this window will appear, so simply check all of these boxes one by one. So the total amount of disk space that I can gain by deleting all of these files is 4.84 gigabytes. So we have to click on OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? We have to click on delete files. Now this is cleaning up unnecessary files on our machine, so let's just wait for this. Once done, you have to press the Windows key and letter R button together on your keyboard to open the Run window, or you can simply search for Run in the Windows search bar, click on it. Then here you need to type TEMP. It's TEMP and click on OK. Now maximize this. Then here there are a lot of temporary files that we need to delete. So simply click on one file and then press Ctrl plus A on keyboard to select all. Then you have to hit the delete bin at the top. Then check this box, do this for all current items and click on skip. Now, not all of these files, or there will still be remaining files that will not be deleted because these are used by the programs of your Windows, and that is fine. Now again, press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the Run window. This time type percentage TEMP percentage and click on OK. Now the same thing, click on one file and then press Ctrl plus A on keyboard to select all the files right here and then hit the delete bin at the top. Then again, check this box, do this for all current items and click on skip. Still, not all of these files will be deleted, but anyways, there are still a lot of files that has been deleted and that is totally fine. Now close this. Again, press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the Run window. This time, you need to type prefetch. It's prefetch and click on OK. Now, click on one folder and then hit the delete bin at the top. Now, once done, close this and then you just have to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. So after you have restarted your Windows, then you have just cleared the junk and cache of your Windows. So anytime you can do the same process to clear all the cache and junk of your Windows to free up some disk space and to make your Windows run faster. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.